So I'm putting the engine oil now. That's total for 9,000 5W40 B712296. No, I want to change something. This is the certification. So this engine takes 5.5 liters. So of course this one is 5 liters. We have another about a liter or a little bit, half a liter. So I can use it to complete it. So I'm going to empty the entire 5 liters in it. Okay, it looks dry enough. I think what will happen is maybe by the time we drop it down, we will not get it since it's still on this one. So it won't be too much. I know it tastes like blood the DC first. No, don't close it. Let's blood the DC. Let's see. You may have to top it up because it's supposed to take more than 1 shot. I think that the engine is still 30 so. It's a little bit above my blood. When the engine, when we keep the car on a level and then we check it for no full. But for now, it's above minimum level. So the next thing we're going to do is to change the spark plug. So I'll keep you guys updated.